Om Kshama Shilaya Namaha. And many people have experienced this quality from Gurudev. Kshama. How many of you do not like ornaments? I know only men's hands are raising up. Because they have to give to their wives. Paulomi is here. That's why he raised. So inform. I will send her this recording. Is it? So, at least we should have 3 ornaments. All of us, including men. At least 3. What are the 3 ornaments? Kshama. Jnanasya bhushanam. Forgiveness is the ornament of knowledge or wisdom. Kshama. Shravanam. Shrotriyasya bhushanam. Not earring. Hearing, listening. Not hearing. Listening. Listening is the ornament for. Listening what? Vedanta Shravanam is ornament for the ear. For the hand, not bangles and watches. Dhanam hastasya bhushanam. At least these 3 ornaments. Because the banquet is there, that's why those who forgot about the banquet. Dhanam hastasya bhushanam. The ornament for the hand is dhanam. Writing check, that's the dhanam. Isn't it? So kshama jnanasya bhushanam. If you are very forgiving means you are knowledgeable. Swamiji, I am always very forgiving, Swamiji. Just to indicate that I am a wise person. That is not. You don't tell. Some people forgive. Why? They have no choice. Because a huge, very big person comes and kicks you. I forgive you. That too you don't tell loudly. If he hears it, he'll kick you again. So in your mind only you tell, I forgive. No, what is that? No choice. Some people forgive because they feel, I also did like that. Some parents do that. Isn't it? I also was like that. Therefore, you don't tell your child, I also was like that. But he feels, the father feels inside, I also was like that. Maybe more horrible. He's relatively better. I was 70%, he is 60%. 10% less. Just because of his mother. See that you feel that I also. Because I am imperfect, therefore I tolerate the imperfection of others. That whom are you forgiving? You are forgiving yourself. That also is very good. So if you yourself confess to your child is wonderful. If you don't confess, and if there are grandparents, and the child does something, your son does something, and you are very angry with your son, at the time grandmother or especially grandmother tells in front of you, he is much better than when you wear that. You look and you just walk out. He is much better than you were. But at the time you don't tell your grandmother, when I did that, how you beat me. Do you remember that? Am I beating him? The modern parents don't beat. They are afraid. That also they are afraid. At that time, our parents were not scared at all. Whatever was available, broomstick also, the dhan they gave. They are not afraid because that is our priority. Isn't it? So you are afraid of that also. So I forgive because I am also imperfect. But if you are perfect and not tolerate others' imperfection, forgive others' imperfections, then that is real kshama. You should be like Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi? When did she forgive Swamiji? No, I'm not talking forgiveness. I'm talking about beauty. Kaikeyi is considered as a very beautiful wife, isn't it? Do you know that? You only heard about it. Kaikeyi was told she is very beautiful. Why she was so beautiful? She always appeared beautiful because she kept all ugly people around her. Now, if you are keeping all ugly people, mantra type onwards, anyone will look beautiful. That is the technique. Isn't it? So too, if you are very little perfection you have, chatak, 50 grams of perfection. Keep all imperfect, be among the imperfect people, so they become your aura. They become your highlighters. Isn't it? So be thankful to them who are around you, who are imperfect. So that you outshine, you are outstanding for everybody else. Isn't it? That's the glory. So don't curse people who are around you, who are imperfect. That's what you are thinking, but they are shining you. Like marks, shine marks. So, Kshama Shila. He being perfect, yet whenever he knew whom to tell what, because he wanted us to be perfect. So in what way if he tells, you will become that. That's how he tackled each one. If he got angry, means that person will change only by anger. So that's how he taught us. Not only the fortitude, the endurance. He endured our mistakes. And also he covered our defects. That's what Guru does. Guru does not highlight our defects. The Guru covers our defects. It happened to me also. Oh, Swamiji, what defect did you have? Don't worry about the defect. Listen to what. It happened in 1993, May 8th. Gurudev's birthday celebrations. And Hyderabad, they did the Tulabharam. Tulabharam is where they weigh Gurudev in gold and silver. So after the Tulabharam program, Gurudev's lunch bhiksha. And Gurudev had his bhiksha. Gurudev was sitting here, I was sitting to his side. And Gurudev's bhikshas are wonderful, especially Andhra bhiksha, Pergannam, Andhra Pergu, Andhra Avakai. So you always eat with hand. That too, you yogurt rice, you mix with all full and all. And then with Avakai and all, so super. I was enjoying after the... Suddenly the chicks came, Chinmay Yuvakendra. Happy birthday, Swamiji. Oh, thank you, he said. Swamiji, we brought cake for you. Bring it here, he said. And the plates and all were removed. And the cake, huge cake was kept in front of him. And he looked at me and said, you cut it. He said, moment Gurudev says something, we don't have any second thoughts. Immediately I got up, ran to the wash basin and quickly washed my hands, quickly came and Gurudev gave the knife in my hand. I held the knife. When I held the knife, then I saw in my knuckles all pergannam, tair sadam, yogurt rice. Now what am I to do? I don't know whether others saw it or not, but I saw and I was feeling so embarrassed. What should I do now? Should I go back and... I'm already holding the knife. Should I go back and wash and come back? What should I do? I was in a coma condition. At that time, I feel something firmly holding and soft. Firm and soft is very difficult to understand, but I felt that. And so Gurudev's hand covering my dirty hand. And then cutting. So I forgot all the embarrassment. I was only feeling his presence. So he was cutting through me. That is called, they cover the dirts of the disciples, the defects of the disciples. Kshama Shila. So Kshama Shilaya Namaha. So this experience is so thrilling. So Kshama Shila. So always have these ornaments. Kshama Jnanasya Bhushanam. I didn't point here, I'm only pointing the hand. Dhanam. What? Dhanam means what? Writing checks. I'm going to see how the collection has come. I've not seen it yet because I don't want to be angry. Anyway, now. So, Kshama Shilaya Namaha. Om Kshama Shilaya Namaha.